Are negative thoughts getting in your way? Make you feel insecure, doubt yourself? Do you want to learn how to stop the negative thoughts? If yes, then watch this video. In this video, I will cover some ideas on how you can stop the negative thoughts for good. Negative thoughts stops people, get into the people way to do things they want, they dream to do, they will love to do. Negative thoughts stop people from being who they really are. Did ever happen to you to want to do something and then after a while to hear a little voice in your head saying, nah, you can't do that. It's not possible. Or, no, you're not good enough. You're not smart enough. What if nobody's gonna like it? If you heard this voice, have you noticed how this negative voice makes you feel? If you have noticed the negative voice, I'm sure that you realize that the negative voice make you feel discouraged. The negative voice make you doubt yourself, make you feel scared, make you feel disempowered. Sometimes this voice can make you feel sad, sometimes can make you feel anxious. But let me tell you that you can stop that voice. You can take control. The negative voice is in control now because you have trained it to be negative. But as I mentioned, you can make the voice to stop. You can stop the voice to take control over you, over your feelings, actions, and life. So let's see how you can do that. Well, the first thing you need to do is to be aware of the negative voice. Write down what the negative voice says to you. You don't have to believe the negative voice. You can listen, but you don't have to believe it. Don't engage in the conversation. Don't engage. Don't hold on to those negative thoughts. The thoughts that stick with you are the thoughts you pay attention to, the thoughts you engage with. You, me, and everyone else have thousands of thoughts per day. And not all of them stick into our mind. Many of them come and go, but the ones who stick are the ones who we pay attention, who we engage with. So let go of this habit. Let go of negative thoughts. Don't give them power. If you give them power, they will grow, and then they will take control over you. So again, you need to stop this bad habit. You need to stop engaging with the negative thoughts. Listen to the negative thoughts, but don't believe them. Because if you believe them, those negative thoughts will stop you from doing the things you will love to do, will make you doubt yourself. Another thing you can do is to question the negative voice. Look for the proof. Everything you watch on TV, on the media, everything you hear is not necessarily true. The same with your thoughts. So identify your thoughts and then challenge them. Thinking negative is just a habit, but if you want to have different results in your life, it's not enough to be aware of your negative thoughts and challenge them. Another thing that it will help you is to shift the negative thoughts into empowering thoughts. Identify them, challenge them, and shift them. And if you want your life to change, to do the things you are dreaming to do them, the things you love, to stop doubting yourself, you will also need to take different actions. If you have avoided doing things for a long period of time, if you have trained your mind to do this, then of course it will feel scary, uncomfortable to do the things which you for years have avoided. But you need to stop this. You need to stop taking the same action you did before. Things won't change if you keep running, hiding, avoiding. So, this is a habit that you need to create. You need to get into. Stop engaging with the negative thoughts. Identify them, challenge them, shift them, and if you want to have different results, you need to take action also. I hope you like the video. I know that these ideas worked because I have implemented them, and sometimes I still have to work on my negative thoughts, but they do work. It's just that you need to be consistent. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, and if you like the video, share it. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video.